We're gonna make some sunflower seed milk today. Let's get it. In the blender, I put in 1 cup of raw organic sunflower seeds that I've soaked for about 5 to 6 hours. Now I pour in 5 cups of spring water, and we're gonna blend this up really good, and then I'm gonna get ready to strain it. Now let's blend her up real good, the best we can. We're working with the Ninja. We're not working with that new Vitamix 5200 that we're getting ready to give away in 2 weeks. So the Ninja does what it can. Now the reason we're doing sunflower seed milk is because it's a really, really good beverage. I made this recipe about 15 years ago. I used to be a raw foodist, and all of the raw food chefs back then used to experiment with almond milk. I got tired of making almond milk all the time, so I wanted something a little bit different. So I said, I wonder what would happen if I blended up some sunflower seeds and made a good sunflower seed milk, and it came out really good. So I'm sharing the recipe now. Now I'm adding a 1/3 cup of raw agave syrup, a 1/3 cup of coconut oil, a teaspoon of nutmeg and cinnamon. Now let's blend all the ingredients together. This is so freaking good. Y'all just don't know. And here you have it, raw organic sunflower seed milk made by Vegan Chef Leah. Love you guys.